Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you this phone case I have modified for my Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. So the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II can take good pictures and good video. The reason I want to modify this case is because I want to hold this phone just like I can hold my camera, like my full-size DSLR. So holding like this give me more natural feel than hold it like this, like typically how you hold the phone to take pictures. The problem with holding the phone like this is, first, it's not very secure. It can drop easily, and after a while holding like this, you start getting finger cramps and you start shaking, and you won't be able to take very good video or picture. So I will add a handle to my phone case. There are actually some ready-made phone case with a camera handle in the market. You can find those on Amazon and eBay. Mostly they are for iPhone or Samsung. The problem with those is most of them will cover up the dedicated shutter button that Sony have on their phones. So those are useless for me. So I have to custom make one for my phone, for the Xperia 5 Mark II. So I found this little flashlight headlamp on Amazon for 30 bucks. That comes with this bracket that I mounted with some screws on my case, and if I clip this on here, then it becomes the handle that I need. The problem is with this bracket that's supposed to mount it with some belt, and you put it on your head to mount this this flashlight, it is quite bulky, and you can't really put this inside your pocket. So when I'm not using this one, I'm using my regular phone case. That sort of defeats the purpose of having this at all. So I have to figure out other method to mount this, and I found this rings on Amazon. This ring, people usually use it and stick it up here where they put the fingers in to hold the phone securely by one hand, and they use it as a stand as well. I figure out if I put two of these on the bottom of my case, I can just put this through and mount this flashlight. The inner diameter of these rings are actually 1 millimeter thicker than the flashlight, but I put some Velcro tape around this and it fits just fine now. So this is my custom-made camera handle phone case for my Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. You see I can hold this securely with one hand steadily. Handles quite well. I can point anywhere and shoot steadily. I'm actually using my phone to shoot this video right now, that's why I don't have the phone here. And when I'm not using this, I can just pull this out, fold this, and I can put this in my pocket. And I can use this as a stand for my phone, so this works pretty well for me. And the good thing about using a flashlight to serve as a camera handle instead of like other materials like a piece of foam or plastic as a handle is I can take video or picture in dark places with assisted lighting. So let me turn off this light and show you the effect. So I can adjust the brightness of this light. So this is how it looks when I have the light on. With this light, it's good for taking like outdoor video when it's dark, but the beam is pretty focused and hard, so it won't be very good for indoor video taking. So I created this little diffuser. It's actually just the bottom half of this bottle. I cut it out, put some foam in it, and just stick it on like this, and I have an instant light diffuser. So let me turn off this light. So you can see the light are much softer and it fills this area pretty well. So here's without the light. The beam is focused and hard and it doesn't look very well. So put this back on. Much better, and I can still turn on and turn off the light easily. So there you have it. This is my custom-made phone case for my Sony Xperia 5 Mark II. I'm pretty happy with this modification myself. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Bye.